talk. We're looking at a high performance 359 chainsaw. This one has some upgrades. It is a Western edition. Got the wrap handlebars, got the two large falling spikes inside and outside, has the upgrade dual port muffler, and a 8-tooth drive sprocket to pick up the speed. This is a test saw. It will be disabled at the end of the video. It will be for sale for parts. Take a look at some of the features it has. Operator presence lever, fully functional on-off switch and choke, decompression valve, chain tensioner. Loosen the two bar nuts up. Right on the side is the tensioner. We'll take a look underneath the hood here. Very clean, very nice parts saw. It is a very high performance saw. They tend to be more dangerous, and so it will be disabled and sold for parts. And we'll do that now. This is how you will receive the chainsaw. Any questions on it? Give the chainsaw guy a call.